Okay, so we are back, and now we are going to keep going with the other project, which is the elements of 3 pieces minimum for fabric and laces plus our puzzle. So I already arranged the pieces from my scraps that I have here. I just well, that in the corner there. And now what I'm trying to see is to finish the ones I am able to have it ready, because I have these puzzles here which I am not I haven't been able to do the little hole on them, so, or in them. I have no clue how is the proper way to say, but however, what we have here is something that I definitely planning to finish and fix it, because, well, you know, with the excitement and with the going in here, I forgot in this one's to add the puzzle. It's supposed to be the focal point is the puzzle, but I didn't add it. Well, that one is not working yet, but anyway, so that one should be there. So that one, I think that's the one I forgot. Yes, that one and this one. So we had to do those ones, and I will turn off this later and see if I can finish this one. So let's try to do this one. These ones I already arranged it because I think I needed to do it, otherwise it will be harder for me to do it here. And so let's see if we can manage to do it this one. Okay, so we had to take it out this and fix it again. Hopefully this time I'll do it properly. And okay, so we have here our piece now, and I think I will like it maybe like that. So let's go and try all over again. Hopefully I'm on the camera, because it's a little bit hard for me to see whether I am or not, or I'm out of the frame. So let's see this. Yes, perfect. I think I like it. So that one is done. Now let's go and fix this one, which also I put it without our focal point, and let's go to it now. That is if I am able, because it seems like it. This one doesn't want to come out for some reason. Oh, okay, did it. So, okay, so now this one, whoop, and which way should I make it like that? I think let's go and try it there. Oh, that's gonna be a little tricky now. Okay, I think that we did it, but now I had to pull this little piece, because actually my piece of fabric was quite small. Well, I'm working with them leftovers from past projects, so that's the beauty of having teeny pieces. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go and see here how we can put it. Okay. Oh, this pieces I dye it. I wash the fabric first and then I dye the pieces. So yes, so I like it. Let's stitch that. Now we should have something here, and these are already arranged, which is the beauty of doing something previous. Maybe it will be a little bit faster so we can come together with something. And I really like my little tool, which I don't know how do you call this, but anyway, has that kind of curve Y, and this one has, I can do a little bit of embossing, but most of it helps me to open the little feet of my brad. So okay, and that's the way it looks. Maybe after put a little bit some glue here or something, or maybe even iron. I don't have an iron with me, so, but it wouldn't hurt to iron the pieces. It's just I dye them, and sometimes I kind of crumble them and leave it there, like this one, I dye it, and you see. So here I put add more color than other parts, and yeah, so that's what I like. This one I dye it with my inks, watercolor inks. So okay, so let's keep going. Then this one, maybe the one I have here at the very top. And it's already, do I like it? Yes, oh, actually this one had already the brad, and okay, I forgot to add a tassel, so now that's it. And let's go and try it again. And okay. Oh, I think I opened it. Oh, sorry. Uh-oh. I'm sorry. I was out of the frame. So anyway, sorry about this. I finally was able to notice that I was completely out of the frame. But now, I think I am in. So, now, there, and here. Okay, then let's go with our next little creature, which is here, and I think you see, it's just amazing how little putting together fabrics and laces and other elements, it makes it complete and full and richer, and adds so much color and beauty to whatever we are working on it. So, well, I can leave this one so I can take them away. So that's another one. Now let's go with this one, which is quite far. And I think that's the way I want it. I just that's okay. Like that. Yes. Yeah, sure. Sometimes maybe it's not too. I tend to think in some pieces and in other ones no. It just all depends. There is just like something is telling me that is not right, should have a different way, different direction. Maybe the light gives a better look. So you see it, this one? Yeah. So we have here another one, this one, and I decided it was going to be like that. So I just like that. So I can, in this case, why do I'm doing this? Because what I want is all the pieces to be able to see them. I don't want just have a little pick. Yes, have a little pick, but I want it kind of enough to make me feel good. It looks okay. So in this case, I hope I can get through because it's double fabric here, so it's going to be a little bit tricky. Yes, but we did it. So now just and just put this thing, and that's it. So okay, one more. Let's go and do this one we have right here, this one, which, okay, and this one here. We'll be able to go through all of them. I mean, do I have all of them? Yes, so I'm not going to miss any of the fabrics. I will have all of them to be able to. Okay, so once it's done, then let's go and get our brad and had it the little feet put apart, so we'll get all of the pieces together. So this is what it is with this one. Okay, so let's go and do this other one. What about this one? Well, here we are again, and this time to finish the last piece of this project, which is 3 elements: lace, fabric, and I don't think I was able to put any ribbons, but you can add it. I mean, your creativity and all the pieces that you have in your collection are just are able to be used for this little project. So let's go and make this one, which is right here at the corner. This is our last one. I already arranged it as I mentioned to you before, and you can see here. And let's go and do that one, which that is if the little bra will like to go in a piece, because maybe she is saying, I don't want to be there, I want to be somewhere else, or I don't know, maybe she's saying, I am the last one, I don't want to be the last one, I want to be the first one. So anyway, well, that is yes, we did it. So we will use our little tool which help us to separate this part, and let's go finish this one. And that's it. So that one, maybe I can show you this one, and probably this one too. So, okay, I think it's done. And I still have some pieces of puzzles here, which I'm going to use for another project. But for now, that's it. Till next time. Y les ama.